Today I'm cooking crispy chili fish, deep fried until crisp and almost caramelized. These fish are garnished with fresh onions and fried curry leaves for an extra crunch and refreshing taste, perfect with rice. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 700 grams of torpedo scat or ikan cincaro, 200 grams of chili paste. The recipe is shared with the video. 110 grams of raw onions, sliced thinly, 10 grams of curry leaves, washed and pat dry, 1 tablespoon of salt, and oil for deep frying. The full list is in the see more link. First, preheat the oil for deep frying at medium heat for 10 minutes. Then, wash, clean, and cut the fish, with the cut along the bottom and 2 dips cut parallel to the dorsal fins on the back of the fish. All this fish has been prepared beforehand. Next, marinate the fish. Sprinkle and rub about 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the skin, in between the cuts, and in the stomach for each fish. It's alright to use less salt now, as the chili will provide more of the flavor. All done? Then add about half of the remaining salt to the chili paste. As my homemade chili paste is not very salty, you may adjust the amount of the salt for your chili paste. This step can even be optional. Mix the salt with the chili paste until well combined. I am using my bare hand as they are well seasoned. If doing this for the first time, it's recommended to use food grade glove, so the chili capsaicin chemical will not irritate your hand. I am adding the rest of the salt to the paste and repeat. When it is well mixed, add the chili paste to the fish. Put generous amount in between the cuts and close it loosely. Remove the excess and add to the other cuts. Repeat and fill the gill area and the stomach as well. Lightly coat the skin with the chili paste too. Repeat for the rest of the fish. Alright, now we can cook. Taste the oil by submerging wooden cooking chopstick into the pan. If bubbles form at the tips, it's ready. Strip the curry leaves from their stems and add them to the oil. They should sizzle immediately and become crispy. Make sure they are fully dry before doing this, as any moisture will result in a massive oil splash. Once they have shriveled, remove from the pan with a dry strainer and set aside. They should only cook for 20 seconds. Next, with a pair of heat-proof tongs, lower the fish one by one into the oil. Arrange the fish as they are lowered, as they will get stuck to the pan until after they are cooked at the bottom. Alright, I will add only 4 for now as there is not enough space. After 6 minutes, the fish are cooked at the bottom. See, they can be easily moved. Flip the fish and cook for another 5 more minutes on the other side. It's easy to use a pair of tongs for this. After 5 minutes, the fish is fully cooked now. Prepare a cooling rack like this and transfer the fish into it. The fish bottom side will remain crispy as the oil drips off from the cooling rack. Remove the chili bits as well with the strainer to serve with the fish. My children love to have them with rice. Alright, add the next batch of the fish into the cooking oil and repeat. Flip the fish after 6 minutes and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, the fish have finished cooking. Transfer from the pan and into the cooling rack. Transfer the crispy bit as well. Arrange the fish on a large serving plate and top it with the fried crispy curry leaves and fresh sliced onion. I am stacking another layer of fried fish as well and garnishing with all the crispy chili bits. Now our crispy chili fish is ready to be served. Let's eat! Wow, crispy, crunchy, sweet, and super tasty. There is enough salt and the spiciness on the fish, and the fresh taste of onion is super refreshing. Delicious. Perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.